welcome to the Backshop Clinic. I'm Rick Green, and joining me is Joe Fugate. And Joe, we're going to talk about having a one-track mind that is a dirty mind, as in dirty track. And this is a universal problem for modelers, and it doesn't matter what kind of track you have, it tends to get dirty at some point. So you're going to talk about some of the products that are available that will help remove that stuff. The gunk, the goo.
Right. So one of the things that we did very early on in Model Railroad Hobbyist is we did some chemical research on what makes the track dirty. And so we actually had a professional chemical analysis done of the black gunk that's on the track.
Cool. Right.
And it turns out the number one component is oxides caused by microarcing.
Ah.
And so basically what's happening is because of the electric current, it's sparking at a microscopic level between the rails and the wheels, and it creates this metal oxide. And the metal oxide's not very conductive. It's basically, the way I think of it, it's actually exploding metal oxide molecules off of things.